At the fair, Lily has 57 ride tickets. Each ride on the Ferris wheel costs 9 tickets. After riding the Ferris wheel as many times as possible, how many tickets will Lily have left? All right, well, in order to find this, you're going to have to do some division. So this is going to be 57 divided by 9. So let's set up our division problem. Okay, we're going to write out the regular old long division symbol. Looks like this. And you always put the bigger number inside the house, the smaller number on the outside. Now we're going to find out how many times 9 goes into 57. Well, it's not exact. 9 goes into 54 6 times. So 6 times 9 is 54. You subtract and get 3. So no more numbers, remainder 3. Now what this means is if Lily has 57 tickets, each Ferris wheel ride costs 9 tickets, she's going to ride the Ferris wheel 6 times. She can't ride it again because she has 3 tickets left over and each ride costs 9 tickets. The question is asking, how many tickets will Lily have left? That's your remainder. So our answer is going to be 3 tickets. Lily loves the Ferris wheel.